Smart 365, another Excel trick. So we've all been in Excel and you go to make some sort of a change. And you drag it down and everything goes with it. So the formatting, so it's bold, the fill, all the borders, and then it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same here. It follows the sequence. And all that you wanted to do was copy the information. So what you can do is highlight the cells that you want to copy, hit Control C, and then highlight the area where you want that data to go, and then you can right click it, paste special, paste values, and then it just copies exactly what was there, but not the formatting, not the fill. It doesn't go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It doesn't fill in your date sequence. It just keeps it exactly how you had intended.